Stuck on the Salesforce login screen? Don't know which link to click or where to put your information? I get it. That first time opening Salesforce can feel like you're staring at a maze. But here's the good news. In about 2 minutes, you'll be logged in without any confusion. All right, here's the plan. I'm going to walk you through the exact steps. We'll go to the right website, click the correct login button, and then enter your credentials. Simple as that. So let's start with step 1. Open up your browser, Chrome, Firefox, whatever you like, and go to the official site. That's salesforce.com. Just type it right into the address bar and hit enter. And here's the thing, make sure you're on the real Salesforce site, not some random search result or ad. The official page will have their logo front and center. It should look clean and professional. Now, once the home page loads, look at the very top right corner of your screen. See that? There's a button that says Login. Just click it. It's usually white text on a blue background, but don't overthink it. It's the obvious one at the top. Okay, so you clicked Login, and a new page opened up. This is where a lot of people get tripped up. You'll see a few different options here. Maybe something for Trailhead or different Salesforce products. You want the one that just says Salesforce Login. It should be pretty prominent, right in the middle of the page. That's the one you need. Click it. And now we're on the actual login form. This is where you'll type your username and password. Now, this part is really important. Your username is usually an email address, and your password is case-sensitive, so pay attention to capital letters. If you make a typo here, you'll get an error. Take your time. And if you're logging in for the first time, the password was likely sent to you by your company's admin. If you don't have it, you might need to reach out to them. I've seen people spend 20 minutes trying to guess their password. Don't be that person. Once your credentials are in, click the blue Login button right below the password field. Now, this might take a moment to process. Don't click it multiple times. Just let it do its thing. And that's it. You're in. Confused no more, right? You went from staring at the login screen to actually getting inside Salesforce in just a few clicks. If you ever get stuck again, just come back to this video and follow along. I've put together this step-by-step process with clear screenshots, so you're never guessing. Happy selling!